In this video, I'm going to explain why your Cash App account may have been closed and how you can try to get it back with an easy solution. Later in this video, I'll also show you my favorite service to transfer money internationally for very low fees. Cash App accounts can be closed or suspended for different reasons, including unusual activity, violating the terms of service, failed identity verification, or suspicious transactions. If your account has been closed, the best thing you can do is contact Cash App support directly and request a review of your account. To start, open Cash App using another active account. This can be your second account or a family member's account. Once you are on the home screen, tap the profile icon in the top right corner and scroll down to select Support. Next, tap Account Settings, then choose Accessing your account. Scroll to the bottom of the page and tap Chat under the Contact US section. In the chat box, clearly explain that your account was closed and that you would like to recover access to it. Be sure to include important information such as your cash tag, phone number, and email address connected to the closed account. After sending your message, wait for the Cash App support team to respond with further instructions or a decision regarding your account. Now, if you want to try my personal favorite money transfer service, I recommend using MoneyGram. You can send money quickly using your smartphone or at in-person MoneyGram locations spread out all over the US and Canada. Click the link in the description to download the app and try it out.